Guys. So yesterday you should have read the first page and the following line of The Most Dangerous Game by Richard Connell. Hopefully you have things highlighted, underlined, some things written along the side that will prove that you did some active reading. I will check for that on Monday, okay? So I just wanted to kind of go over the story. So we kind of get the exposition of the story in this page that you read. So you met two characters, Whitney and Rainsford. Just so you guys don't get confused, Whitney and Rainsford are two men. Okay, that's just last names that they're giving. So they're on a boat, obviously, and they say that they're passing by an island that's called Ship Trap Island. And Whitney even says it's a suggestive name. Okay, so right there, like it should give you a little bit of a hint, maybe some foreshadowing. What is this name, Ship Trap Island? It talks about how like sailors are even freaked out about it. And Rainsford is basically on this boat saying that he doesn't see anything, that it's super, super dark. Um, and so then they start talking a little bit about something that they're going to do. They say that they're going towards Rio. Rio is in Brazil. So if you don't have that, you might want to jot down that they're going towards Rio. And that they're going to do something when they're in Rio. They said we should have some good hunting in the Amazon, great sport hunting. I would probably highlight, if you haven't, that whole line right there and jot something down. What are these men on this boat going to go do? Obviously, they're going to go hunt. Okay, and what's their opinion about hunting? Are they doing it by force? Are they doing it for necessity? Or are they doing it just for fun? It says great sport hunting. And then Rainsford follows up with the best sport in the world. So then there's a little bit of some joking that happens. So remember, it's Rainsford and Whitney. Whitney all of a sudden says, after they talk about how great hunting is, he says that hunting is the best sport in the world. And Whitney, as I said, mentions for the hunter, not for the jaguar. So think about that. Obviously, if you like hunting, that's awesome. But it's not going to be very cool if you're the person that's well, not person, but if you're the animal or thing that's being hunted, it's obviously very stressful. Um, and Rainsford tells him, like, stop speaking nonsense, basically, Who cares about how a jaguar feels? Like, so who cares about the feelings of this animal that's being hunted? Remember when we did that agree-disagree thing, there was a question on there about, how you feel about, um, like, or whether or not you agree or disagree that hunting is a sport or that people should do it, for the simple thrill or excitement of it. A lot of you had some interesting opinions about that. So they carry on. This is supposedly what Ship Trap Island kind of looks like. And then he goes on to say, even so, I'd rather think they understand one thing, fear, the fear of pain and the fear of death. All right. So even though like they're in a disagreement, Rainsford is like, yo, stop talking about who is feeling what kind of pain, because he's basically saying that the animals can't feel pain. Whitney tells them, okay, well, maybe they don't sense the fear of pain, but they do have the fear of death. Like, these are legitimate fears. Like, animals, people, everybody were afraid to die and were afraid to get hurt, like pain wise, physical pain wise. So basically, that's what you read yesterday, and these questions that you're going to complete on Ed Puzzle will help you better understand the exposition. But like we said, so far we've got these two hunters who are off to hunt jaguars in Brazil. Okay? Thank you so much and have a great day.